rising to the top. Looking for a promotion, the more confidence you have, the more likely you are to be promoted. Decreasing negative or destructive thoughts. Greater self confidence creates more freedom from self doubt and negative or destructive thoughts about yourself. Experiencing less anxiety and more fearlessness. Greater confidence makes you more willing to take smart risks and more able to move outside your comfort zone. Having enhanced freedom from social anxiety. Becoming more comfortable just being yourself decreases your focus about what others might think of you. That's liberating. Increasing personal energy and motivation to take action. Enhanced confidence boosts your positive energy, which gives you more motivation and active energy to achieve your personal and work goals and your dreams. The more highly motivated and energized you are, the more likely you are to take on challenges. Being happier. Confident people tend to be happier and more contented with their lives than people who have low self confidence. In summary, self confident people tend to be happier and more successful.